And what's the first thing you wanted to know, to see once arriving in Burundi?
The lake. The lake. I've
Did you
seen
see
it. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
seen
Lake
it.
Tanganyika.
Massive. I thought it was the beach there to remember. No, man, this is a landlocked country. There's actually no beach here. So I've seen it and it's beautiful.
So now if you say that Burundi is the heart of Africa, you can say Burundi is the heart of Africa.
Heart of Africa, 100%.
Clap it.
Wearing the hat. She is wearing the hat.
I'm wearing the hat. Mom. Okay. What that thing that you think you can say to people who are watching now that say I don't know Burundi and I don't want to know Burundi?
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
First off, you need to know Burundi. You need to visit Burundi.
Yeah.
Even before
You need
I
to visit Burundi, kindly.
I've always wanted to visit Burundi. It has
Oh,
always
wow.
been on my top list
Okay.
of countries to visit. And I think because it's not just about tourism, it's also because I'm more into the presentation and marketing of countries.
Okay.
And Burundi is that country that I've always wanted to come document from the bougie side of it. So yes, you should visit Burundi. I don't even think I need to do too much
Okay.
to sell Burundi.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
There's greenery.
Yeah.
There's clean roads, and they are beautiful people. Like,
Yeah.
look at her. Look at her.
Pourquoi pas? Le Burundi, c'est le heart of Africa, c'est le cœur d'Afrique. T'es africain, donc tu peux venir dans ton cœur.
Bien sûr, évidemment, évidemment.
So, first of all, what's your name?
Kanyesile,
Kanyesili. And where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa. Oh, welcome in Burundi. So, how have you? You attended the show, the dialogue.
Yes.
What? There is the biggest word talked by our president about youth, about women empowerment, and about peace and
Yeah.
security.
Yeah.
What sentence or a sentence which inspired you from our president, maybe about women or about youth?
I think it's the idea of young people must not be exploited.
Yeah, Baba.
That sentence really stood out for me, and creating opportunities for yourself.
Wow.
Yeah, I think that it's important that young people all over Africa understand that they don't need to wait for
Yeah.
people outside, even Europeans. We're much better than them. I mean, everything comes
it
from
on that,
us.
honey, clack it.
So, yes.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, my brother?
My name is Ben
Ben.
Jr.
Ben Jr. Where
Yeah.
are you from?
from South Africa.
South Africa, wow,
Yes.
nice. From Mandela's land.
Yes.
Our daddy, Mandela is our
Yes.
daddy. Yeah.
By the president, His Excellency,
yeah.
is that I noticed that out of most presidents in Africa,
Yes.
is one of the most nicest
Wow.
presidents.
Nice.
It's very nice, you know.
Wow.
Hi my people, uno musi murambabarira tugira dukore mu cyongereza kubera turi kumwe n'abantu baje bava mu bihugu bitandukanye. So hi how we say your name?
Jax.
Yeah. Okay, Jax, where are you coming from and what's your name?
How's it? My name is Jax Amahle and I'm coming all the way from South Africa.
Yeah, and how did you find Burundi? Is
It's
your first time
so
here?
welcome. Yes.
How did you find it?
So welcoming. The people are so kind and the fruit is delicious.
Some people they say that when they come in Burundi, they have this difficult thing about our language because they don't understand. But also we know that Burundi has a great hospitality.
Yeah.
How did you feel the hospitality here? Is the people welcoming? Do you feel like you are home?
100%. And also
Yeah.
the language thing is not crazy for me. I come from South Africa. There's 12 official languagues.
Okay.
So we must always learn and experience other people's languages. So I'm fine with that.
Yeah. And how did you feel when they told you like the continental dialogue will be in Burundi? Like
Well, I was excited to come visit a country I've never, considered visiting. So, and I think it's always important for us to expand ourselves and see what's beyond our own borders.
okay. And what's the first thing you wanted to know, to see once arriving in Burundi? Did
The
you see
lake,
it?
the lake. I've
Did you
seen
see
it. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
seen
Lake
it.
Tanganyika.
Massive. I thought it was the beach there to remember. No, man, this is a landlocked country. There's actually no beach here. So I've seen it and it's beautiful.
So now if you say that Burundi is the heart of Africa, you can say Burundi is the heart of Africa.
Heart of Africa, 100%.
Wearing the hat. She is wearing the hat.
I'm wearing the hat. Mom. Okay. Hello, your name please?
My name is Amotoke. I'm
Coming
from Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
Absolutely.
I know only one word in Nigeria.
Okay.
Wahala. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why, but I know
How
wahala.
do you know wahala?
I know wahala because in songs and movies, it's like no wahala.
No wahala. No problem, my guy. No
wahala.
problem.
So
We got
you
a
come in
day.
Burundi, no wahala.
No wahala, my guy. No wahala. We got a day.
Okay.
We got a day.
So how did you find our beautiful country, Burundi?
First impression, it was good.
Okay.
It's better than what I thought it would be.
Okay.
It's beyond what the media had planted it to be. Yeah.
Okay.
So for me in tourism, because I do tourism, it's beautiful to see that there's a lot of growth development over the years, and that this part of Burundi exists and it has to be shown to the rest of the world. Yes.
Is it the first time you also to come to Burundi?
Absolutely. Yes, it's my first time.
Wow.
I should have been here 2 years ago.
I really hope you will have time to visit this, because we have a lot of things you need to see apart from the dialogue, like waterfalls.
Yes. I hope I will be back. Absolutely.
Yeah, you will be back for vacation, not for
vacation, not for work. Not for work.
Yeah. And now, what do you hope, taking from like what's the dialogue, continental dialogue will give you after this? What do you waiting on your career or everything you do?
Yeah, I think first of all, I'm honored to be here because it's a new ground, a new learning ground to learn about, for instance, the youth peace security, the women peace security, understanding how youth inclusion and leadership can intersect in between what I do and politics and political dialogues like this, and also, how this affects the overall youth and our livelihood and our being and the continent itself. Being the focus being water and women's security. I mean, growing up, I think every woman or lady grew up fetching the well, going to the stream, bringing the water, and now we see how that can be an issue now with water scarcity and women insecurity and all of that. So I think I learned a lot, and my take home is going to be to work more, to research more, and to be a voice, a partaker of this movement, this mission, these programs, just to make sure that in 10 years, I know the charter is already 20 years, and that in the next 20 years, it is more than just words in the books, it's more action. And I think we're off to a great start with what we are here today.
So what that thing that you think you can say to people who are watching now that say I don't know Burundi and I don't want to know Burundi?
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
I think you're missing out.
Okay.
First off, you need to know Burundi. You need to visit Burundi. Even before I visit
Burundi, kindly.
I've always wanted to visit Burundi. It has always been on my top list of countries to visit. And I think because it's not just about tourism, it's also because I'm more into the presentation and marketing of countries. And Burundi is that country that I've always wanted to come document from the bougie side of it. So yes, you should visit Burundi. I don't even think I need to do too much to sell Burundi. It's beautiful, there's greenery, there's clean roads, and they have beautiful people. Like, look at her. Look at her. It's so beautiful. So visit Burundi.
Thank you. Visit Burundi. I hope next time you come just to visit.
No. Next time I'll be here for like a month or two.
Good.
Definitely.
We need to be in contact because I am one of the co-founders of Visit Burundi here, so I can help you a lot with tourism.
Let's change contact.
Yes, we do it.
Right, thank
yes,
you.
I'll be here. Maintenant, on va placer en français.
Non, il est là.
Pour mademoiselle là. Mais pour monsieur, on va parler en français. Tu pensais que je parlais seulement l'anglais, monsieur. Désolé pour toi. Ici au Burundi, on étudie en français. Voilà votre micro.
Ok, d'accord, madame.
C'est avec lui que tu voulais? Bien sûr. Bienvenue, monsieur.
Merci, madame.
Présentez-vous, quel est votre nom? Vous venez d'où?
Je m'appelle Nissi Bomolo de Congo-Kinshasa, la République démocratique du Congo. Et je travaille pour une structure technique au pays, une structure qui est dans le renforcement des capacités. Et présentement, je suis venu participer au dialogue continental.
Ok, c'est ta première fois au Burundi?
Oui, c'est ma première fois ici.
Quelle est ta première impression quand tu as descendu de l'aéroport?
Quand je suis arrivé hier dans l'après-midi, j'ai eu le temps de sentir, de voir aussi, de constater le sens de l'hospitalité que les Burundais ont. C'est-à-dire que très vite, on sent qu'ils sont très accueillants et ils veulent vraiment savoir par rapport à... They really want to know about you. Et c'est ça que j'ai vraiment apprécié dès mon arrivée, en fait. Le sens de l'accueil.
En fait, quand on dit que le Burundi, c'est un pays accueillant, on ment pas. Et aussi, la première qualité des Burundais, je ne sais pas si tu as vu quand tu penses parler, tu vas voir quand vous allez monter à l'intérieur du pays, tout le monde tient comme ça. Yambo, tu sais comment tu vas dire? Faut dire Amahoro. Faut dire Amahoro. Voilà.
Ça veut dire quoi?
Ça veut dire paix soit avec toi. C'est une simple salutation. Voilà. qu'est-ce que tu attends d'avoir après le dialogue continental? Qu'est-ce que tu vas revenir au pays avec? Qu'est-ce que tu vas rentrer au pays avec?
Là, pour ce que je vais retenir du dialogue, c'est plutôt les plans nationaux qui ont été mis en place par rapport aux thématiques abordées. C'est-à-dire les plans sur la jeunesse, la paix, la sécurité, mais aussi pour les femmes, qui sont pas, on va dire, les deux n'ont jamais été mis en avant comme ça. Mais ce dialogue nous donne la chance de mettre deux grandes thématiques, c'est-à-dire les femmes et la jeunesse ensemble. Et une fois revenu au pays, je pense que je vais regarder de plus près les plans concernant ces deux thématiques.
Avant ce dialogue, la place qu'avaient les femmes dans ta vie, dans ton quotidien de tous les jours, ça sera la même après le dialogue? Ou ça va
pas
changer?
du tout, ça va totalement changer. Là, je vois que la femme, elle a un rôle à jouer. Bon, je savais déjà qu'elle avait un rôle à jouer en société. Mais avec ce dialogue, on constate qu'elle a un rôle un peu plus grand. Et je retiens même la phrase d'une intervenante qui a dit: quand vous avez les jeunes et les femmes, vous avez les 3/4 du monde.
Voilà.
Et je pense qu'avec le 3/4 du monde, on peut régler pas mal de problèmes.
En tant qu'une personne qui est venue au Burundi, la première fois que tu as eu cette impression que tu as eu du Burundi, qu'est-ce que tu peux dire aux différentes personnes qui n'ont jamais venu au Burundi ou qui ne souhaitent pas venir au Burundi?
Bon, là, après ce que j'ai vu du Burundi, je vais leur conseiller de venir en masse, parce que étant donné le sens de l'accueil du Burundi, et aussi la qualité de la nourriture qui est ici, elle est vraiment excellente.
Surtout la qualité de la nourriture.
Exactement.
Ah ouais, elle est excellente.
Et je suppose qu'après ma visite du lac Tanganyika, je pourrais même m'installer à côté du lac.
Tu sais qu'il y a tout au long d'ici à Bujumbura, Rumonge, partout là-bas, c'est long. Donc si tu veux venir t'installer, tu es vraiment la bienvenue.
Il y a la place pour moi?
Oui, pourquoi pas? Le Burundi, c'est le heart of Africa, c'est le cœur d'Afrique. Tu es africain, donc tu peux venir dans ton cœur.
Bien sûr, évidemment.
À tout temps que tu voudras, tu pourras venir.
Bien sûr, merci.
Alors, en tout cas, merci beaucoup. Il faut dire Amahoro Iwanyu, ça veut dire la paix chez vous. Pour finir.
Amahoro Miani.
Amahoro Iwanyu.
Amahoro
Iwanyu.
Iwani.
Amahoro Iwanyu.
Amahoro Iwani. In Lingala we say Kimia ezala na bino. Be peace be with you.
Kimia ezala na bino.
Yeah, Kimia ezala bino. Yeah.
This is one of our biggest singer, and he's going to be the one to give you the interview. He'll be the one who is going to ask you the question to welcome you. Yeah. So here you go.
Okay.
You're gonna be today, not just the singer. You're going to be the host of this interview. As the star you are.
I'm also a deputy.
You are also. I'm sorry. Honorable.
Okay, don't forget.
Okay. So you can we want to know exactly. How does it feel for you to be here?
Okay. It's actually quite interesting to be here because I think when you come from another African country, you visit another African country, you think people are different, but we're all the same actually. I think the spirit of Ubuntu is everywhere. Like I am because we are. So I think that is the part that kind of shocked me.
Wow, nice. So, first of all, what's your name?
Kanyesile.
Kanyesile. And where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Oh, my dream country to go in Africa.
Yeah, really? Must come visit.
I've been telling people, and they're like, "No, South Africa, why? It's my dream country, no matter what is happening there."
Yes, there's a lot going on there. A lot.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Welcome in Burundi. So, how have you? You attended the show, the dialogue.
Yes.
What? There is the biggest word talked by our president about youth, about women empowerment, and about peace and security.
Yeah.
What sentence or a sentence which inspired you from our president, maybe about women or about youth?
I think it's the idea of young people must not be exploited. That sentence really stood out for me, and creating opportunities for yourself. I think that it's important that young people all over Africa understand that they don't need to wait for people outside, even Europeans. We're much better than them. I mean, everything comes from us. So, yes.
Okay. And about the place that the women have, this year we'll be talking about peace and justice, but also youth and women.
Yes.
Did you ever think that in one thematic that can come youth, women, and peace?
I also did. I was actually speaking to one of my colleagues, and I was saying to him that I've never looked at youth and women with peace like involved. But I know that some people do look at youth, peace, and security. But yeah, it was interesting to see. And then they also spoke about water as well. So yeah, that was interesting.
Yeah. When they say that women and youth equal the quarter of the world, what do you hear? Do you believe in that?
That women and
Like when you have women and youth on your side, you have like the 1/4 of the whole world.
I feel like we are the heart of the world. Like women and women and children. I also was telling one of my friends that, I don't like that we are victimized because we're actually very powerful. Thank you. Women carry like it's brilliance that is beyond. I mean, we give birth, so that should say what does God say about us and our power. But so I think that just empowering women would be very important.
Wow. And they love that. It's not a question. Just as an idea. I'm one of children who has been raised by their moms. So I understand the power of women. And for me, I believe that women can lead the world than men. Because I've already seen some families, a family which remain mom. And the family which remain dad, a family which remain mom is organized. It means a mom can organize a family, can organize the world, can organize a country. Also, I think the problem about women is from culture and the spirituality teachings. Because from spirituality teachings, they show us like a woman must be like a flower. But the problem is when his man die, nobody's coming to give her food or something.
Exactly.
She started working for the family. But before they stopped her to work for the family, that a man must do that. But when the man goes, they don't come and they help that woman. So I think the system of spirituality also. Because sometimes I think it's because it has been written by men. Because even if you see there is some verses where they say about a woman who have been caught with another man, but they started beating a woman with the stones. But it wasn't masturbation, it was sex between two people. So it means there is an action from another side.
So I always say that the woman is the
sometimes I think it's because it's men who written those Bible, I think all of that is a kind of problem. And for me about youth, I think youth first of all to maybe to rescue this young from Africa. First of all, politicians must remove that word of we are Africa of tomorrow. When you tell me like I'm a Burundi of tomorrow or Africa of tomorrow, and I have already children. It means my children will be Africa of after tomorrow. or we share the same destiny. Or we share the same destiny with our children. So I think let's be responsible. Let's be responsible. If I'm not Africa of tomorrow, I'm Africa of today. They always tell us you are Africa of tomorrow, but when there is a problem of fighting, they say come. Hey, no, call me tomorrow. We say wait tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. So I think all of that there are some reasons.
You must be a politician.
He is.
He is.
He's honorable.
Oh wow, no.
And another thing.
He's a singer and honorable at the same time. You saw it?
I can see it.
He's a politician.
This is a leader.
I always think about the solutions, and about the youth. To be leaders, good leaders of tomorrow, African youth, to be leaders of tomorrow. For me, I don't think that we need some teachings to be leading people. Don't need teachings, because even cows they have their leaders, even animals they have their leaders. It means so. The problem is for me. I think the problem is Africans. Our problem starts from our family. I don't know, maybe I don't know in South Africa, but in East Africa, when there is things of food, feeding at home, those nice food is for daddy. Those nice food, nice meat, they give it to parents, daddy. So that means our children raise up when they understand, like when you are a leader of family must eat good.
Yeah.
You see, they don't teach us that a child must eat it good than a parent, or a children must eat before parent. But in our side, you see, parent who start eating, then children. What about South Africa? Eating at home, they give favor to parents or children.
It's definitely like the father gets the food first, but in terms of the best food, no. So, that has changed.
But is the one? Oh, is the one who gets food
first? Yes, he gets food first. Yes.
But I think
if we get food first,
I think
we get the best one.
Yeah.
But I think we need to change. Because if you are a good leader, you must be sure that you are people who you lead that are already full. Then you start eating. Because the problem is when I'm a leader, when I'm a leader, and you are not a leader, and we are like here in dialogue. There is a food. They start giving a leader, for example, but here we ate at the same time. So when they start giving a leader food, and the food when finished from there, no one can fight for you. But if it's a leader who didn't get food, everyone will fight for him.
You see, that's the big point. So I think what we need to know is like we need to understand as youth. We are the center of the world.
We
are the Africa of today, not tomorrow. You understand? And these young ladies, these young people, we are the future moms, we are the future women of tomorrow, of course. That's the one we know. But we need to take actions now. That's what they are calling us to do. We need to take actions now. We need to begin to be the leaders now. We don't have to wait till tomorrow, you see? So we have another one.
Institute of International Affairs Scholar. Wow, nice.
Okay. So we have another one, brother. Kindly welcome, brother. Welcome. This is our. He's a deputy here, but he's also young and a big star here as a singer. And I'm going to give him the opportunity to be now the host of this because we are trying to interact between youth and to know each other more. Here we go.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, my brother?
My name is Ben.
Ben
Junior.
Ben Junior. Where are you from?
From South Africa.
South Africa, wow, nice. From Mandela's land.
Yes.
Our daddy, Mandela is our daddy. You know, before I ask you anything, first of all, I appreciate your South Africa because this piece we are in, Mandela contributed a lot. So thanks a lot for that. And how do you feel to be in Burundi?
You know, we learn every day. It's always exciting to explore, to see new things. So I'm very much excited, and because I'm learning new things, I'm seeing different things, so different from South Africa, seeing new people, good people, nice people. You see, so it's very much a nice experience being this side. Thank you so much.
Okay, and there is a lot of words Mr. President gave us, like a good speech with a lot of sentences which is touchable. So I want to know which kind of speech has been touching in your heart.
So you mean today, right?
Today, the speech of Mr. President, he talked about youth, women, even about peace and security.
So one thing that stood out for me by the president, His Excellency, is that I noticed that out of most presidents in Africa, he's one of the most nicest presidents. He's very nice. You know, you can be free around him. I saw people taking pictures. That's a very nice thing. And according to his speech, you could tell that he's a president that has a zeal to see the youth rising in this country. Yes.
We call him here Mkombozi w'abajene. It means the best friend of youth here.
Oh wow! I wouldn't disagree. How do you say it?
Mkombozi w'abajene.
Mkombozi w'abajene.
The best friend.
Wow. Make sure that you visit Burundi. It's a very nice place, a very nice country with nice people, good people everywhere. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right.